different types of weather. Some weather is up in the sky where you have to look up. Other weather is falling down and you have to look all around you. The first type of weather we're going to talk about is everyone's favorite. For the most, sunny weather is a lot of fun. There's many things you can do in the sun. A lot of times kids like to go outside and play, run, jump, swim. But sometimes you also need a pair of sunglasses to block your eyes from that harmful rays. Other things you might want is some sunblock. When the sun is out, your skin needs protection. It's always important to make sure you look at the weather before you go out. When the rain stops, if you look up, maybe you'll see the sun, but you also might see our next type of weather. That is clouds. When it's cloudy out, you normally can't see the sun. Sometimes it's a little bit darker, sometimes it's not darker at all. There's many different types of clouds. Some clouds could be really white, and other clouds might be darker. Sometimes when you see darker clouds, this could mean something bad is coming. When you see white clouds, sometimes you can even see the sun. That is called partly cloudy, because part of the sky shows the sun and the other part has clouds. Sometimes when you start to see those dark clouds, this could mean something bad is coming. Sometimes it's just rain. Other times it could mean a storm. Storms are when it is not safe to be outside. Many things can happen in a storm. You might see lightning. You might hear thunder. Thunder will not hurt you. It's more or less a noise in the sky. Lightning, however, is dangerous to be around. It's not safe to touch water when lightning's around, and it's not safe to be outside when lightning is around. There's other times when storms can get very bad. In Ohio, we even have things called tornadoes. When a tornado comes, wind blows really hard and throws the wind in circular motion. This damages trees, houses, and makes it very, very unsafe to be outside. We want to make sure that if we know there's a tornado around, we go inside and find a safe place to hide. Usually in your basement or in a bathroom with no windows. Your parents will know where to take you. Sometimes when you see clouds, rain comes from them. This is when rain actually falls from the clouds. Now there's often times when it rains and there's puddles on the ground. These puddles do not mean that it is raining right now. The only time it is raining is when there's rain falling down. This usually means sometimes you might not want to be outside, but if you do go outside, you should definitely take an umbrella. The last type of weather you can see in Ohio is usually when it's really cold outside. This is snowy. Snowy is beautiful because you see snow falling from the sky. Usually it makes the ground nice and white. Again, remember that if there's snow on the ground, it doesn't mean it's snowing. The only way it's snowing is if there's snow falling from the sky. If this happens, you might want to bundle up a little bit because usually that means it's really, really cold outside. Boys and girls, that's pretty much all the weather we would normally see in Ohio. Let's review real quick the different types of weather we've learned today. There's sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, rainy, stormy, tornadoes, foggy, and snowy. It's always great to know what types of weather are outside. This helps us be prepared for when we do go outside. We know what to expect and we know what we need to have on our bodies to keep us safe. We're going to keep learning about the weather this week, boys and girls, and I can't wait to start.